You found a SharePoint template you want to use. Great choice. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply it to your SharePoint site. It is super simple. First, you'll need Sprocket 365 to apply the template. SharePoint templates are deployed through Sprocket's powerful automation engine. If you don't have Sprocket installed yet, head to sprocket365.com and start a free trial. Your SharePoint admin can install it through the SharePoint app catalog. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. If you're not an admin, don't worry. Just share this with your IT team and they can get it set up quickly. Once Sprocket is installed, here's where the magic happens. Let me show you the actual process. I'm here in a SharePoint site, and you can see the Sprocket button in the bottom left corner. This appears on every SharePoint page once Sprocket is installed. I'll click on the Sprocket button, and here's the Sprocket panel. Now I'll click on Apply Template. This opens the template gallery within Sprocket. I can see all the available SharePoint templates here. I'll select the template I want to apply. Let's say I want this knowledge base template. I'll click on the template, and now I can see a preview and description. When I'm ready, I simply click Apply Template. Sprocket now goes to work, automatically creating all the lists, libraries, pages, and content that make up this template. You can see the progress here as it builds everything out. And there we go. In just a couple of minutes, Sprocket has created a complete SharePoint site based on the template. All the pages, lists, document libraries, and even the formatting, everything is ready to use. That's it. Your template is now applied and ready for your team to start using. You can customize it further, add your own content, change theme colors, images, make it your own. If you run into any issues or have questions, check out the support documentation at sprocket365.com/docs or reach out to the support team. Now go ahead and start exploring all the templates available. There's something for every type of SharePoint site you might need.